Once there was a girl. Her name was Lily. Lily loved gardening and planted some delicious vegetables in her garden, such as lettuce, tomatoes, beetroot, and carrots. One morning, Lily went to check on her vegetables when saw something very surprising. Half of her vegetables were eaten. Poor Lily was so worried and told her parents. Her dad gave her a fantastic idea. He told her to set a trap using some carrots and lettuce. This would help them catch the creature that's been eating all of Lily's vegetables. Lily and her dad used an iron cage and had a fantastic plan to later release the creature in the forest. The next morning, Lily woke up to find a large raccoon sitting in a cage. "Dad! Dad! Look what's in the cage!" shouted Lily. Her parents rushed outside to see what was in the cage. They were all very surprised to see the raccoon. Lily's father had already called Mr. Joseph to release the animal in the wild instead of capturing it. Lily did not want to enclose the poor raccoon, but she had no choice. She would not want her vegetables to be gone either. That afternoon, Lily enjoyed a fresh salad, now free from all the creatures targeting it. So, dear kids, the moral of the story is we should always wait for the correct moment to take a step and make sure that our actions are not harming other creatures. If you like this video, please leave a big like down below and subscribe to KAFU-KIDS-TV.